Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. This is Tim's equipment from Oregon, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now, these are highly sought after. People really liked them. They were a very good cordless telephone, and they no longer make this model. If you can even find one used, they get quite expensive, and we have customers that will find one used, pay quite a bit for it, and still have to have it repaired. So people really liked them, and they want to have them repaired. Now, we know this unit has a transmit issue, and we're going to be troubleshooting the transmit issue and the main PC board. And I want to go ahead and give you a look at this handset if you've never seen the main PC board in one of these units. That gives you a look at the main PC board. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And there is an issue. This is a cordless telephone. The base unit and handset interchange frequencies, and that RF power can get into the amplifier because the open amplifier is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any of that noise, it will be coming from the radio frequency. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'll go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. And we're also going to show you that frequency noise while we're checking the cordless telephone out. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. We'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. The noise that we're talking about from the frequencies. We're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, January 7th. The current time, 6:39 p.m. And the
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Tim and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.